2014 Audi Q3. Customer wanted factory CarPlay and reverse. If I show you the reversing camera, just there. Go into CarPlay now. So see the CarPlay is here. It's a full touchscreen overlay we've put in there, so it can be now touchscreen. Obviously controllable via the steering wheel as well. See if we can go to maps, we can go to there. We can also go to things such as Spotify. There. We do all volume. Volume all comes through here. We can go in and out of the menu via the nav button.
Route guidance is not
Back to
active.
your normal Audi.
Route guidance is not
Back
active.
to your normal CarPlay, and I'll show you the reversing image, which is here. And as you can see, it's got movable guidelines, so as I turn the steering wheel, they slowly move. And if I return back to your normal, we can then go back to its CarPlay setting.